Wagwan people, welcome back to another episode of
Poppy Show.
And so today we have been challenged to do the water cracker challenge. And
we're gonna put some pepper on it.
My husband is gonna be doing pepper on his. I don't think I wanna mess with no pepper in the night here.
Wow. Well, yeah, so we were challenged by the Jones family, UK, and the Affleck gang to do the water cracker challenge. So
and you know, when I'm back from challenge,
no time. So how it works is 10 water crackers in.
Is it 10 or 5?
No, 10 water crackers or tough water crackers in 5 minutes, and
I thought it was 5. Lord Jesus.
No, 5 Stacy though, but you know Stacy thing water down.
Stacy, I can't believe you said that. Girl.
Joe, your thing water down too. Big up Diane. But yeah, so 10 tough water crackers in 5 minutes. Can't drink nothing until we're absolutely done, okay?
If it's your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell, and what else?
And like this video, okay?
And like the video.
Okay, so let's get into the video.
Well, this is a tough challenge. I'm not lie.
5, 6, 7,
4,
9, 1, 10.
Is that too much crackers?
You know, 5 minutes.
No, too much.
You know the pepper?
Huh?
You know the pepper?
I don't know if pepper. And guys, I have my lifeline here. So I have some ginger tea in the case. I am choking because first of all, I don't like tough crackers. And usually when I do eat it, I always have to take a sip with every bite. So I don't know, guys. Can't promise you anything right now. So I wouldn't be betting your money on me right now. All right, I may just do a little dab because me not take no show off. I'm just gonna take a little dab and I may skip every other one because hey, so all right, that's good enough for me.
So 10 that?
Yes, that's 10.
Okay.
All right, so you ready to set the timer?
Okay, so let's set this timer here.
All right,
okay,
here we go. Well, for a walk, Mas vou botar na do. Go. Não me do I do for a blade. Really, honey? And guys, I'm not a fast eater. Guys, I know the crackers stay past my throat. No sir. This is an embarrassment. No sir. I've never eaten tough crackers and I have nothing to drink. Bro, this really up. Okay. That is something now? Look at the top challenge with the tough crackers.
Tough crackers are tough.
Guys, I just prepare now.
I don't understand.
I can't feel good for person short.
One minute left.
Come on, honey. Come on, gotta make it for the team. Come on. You know me can't win her. Don't lose. Come on, babes. Come on. Can't make Dion feel like he's the only champ around here. Come on, babes. Come, baby. Put it in your mouth. Come on, babe. Put it in your mouth. In your mouth.
Push it
in your mouth. Come on, babe. Come, babe. Push it in your mouth. Man, I need my fingers up in here. Man.
My boss, Shane, your ball.
Well, I don't lose, so I guess we can't drink my ginger tea, you know. The pepper and the hot. Woo! Man, babe, we'll try. Woo! Pepper and heat, I'll mix it hard.
Alright,
so that's about 6 minutes. Probably run it into 6 minutes. So, guys, my tongue though. So what you think, babe?
I'm gonna challenge a crossbreed, man. Trust me.
So I want to challenge Life with Ro. Yes, Renee, you up next. I want to see you eat 10 water crackers
with pepper on it.
With pepper sauce on it. Woo.
In 5 minutes.
In 5 minutes.
And also, it's Shantoy's world. Shantoy not do it.
No, Shantoy not do it. Yes, Shantoy.
Shantoy. We're challenging you. 10 of water crackers, 5 minutes with some pepper on it. Ooh. Alex, sort out the thing. Dion, you're bad bossy.
But you know, I commented on their video today, and I said that Dion are the real boss, and Joe was like, Dion is no boss. Joe, Dion are the boss. What me say? Dion, you are the boss.
I challenge your bad bossy.
Because I have what, 6 crackers remaining?
I know that I ain't start eat yet.
I tried though, like I really surprised myself though.
But you just need 30 more seconds. But guys, it was a pleasure doing this video. Yo, the way the thing dry, I'm not even taste the pepper.
A true man.
I'm out to buckle for some water. But it was a pleasure, man, right? If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Poppy Show, you don't know. Crazy. Respect to all of the people who show Poppy Show love. Really appreciate it, you know what I mean? Like the video. Turn on the notifications so you can see every time Poppy drop another video. It's crazy. So until next time, guys, we love you. Peace. Straight.